What's up, guys? Tony Ramirez here, and welcome to the garage. If you're into turning wrenches, fixing up cars, or just keeping your ride in top shape, you're in the right spot. I drop real-world tips, no fluff, just what actually works. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let's wrench smarter, not harder. All right, enough intro. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm diving into the world of clutch cables. I'll be discussing how they operate, the essential maintenance tips to keep them in top shape, and what you can expect in terms of pricing. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just starting out, understanding your clutch cable is crucial for a smooth ride. So, let's get started and ensure your vehicle performs at its best. Find the best garage to change your clutch cable. See garages. The clutch cable connects the clutch pedal to the clutch fork. When you apply pressure to the clutch pedal to disengage the clutch, it is this system that pulls the clutch release bearing and actuates the rest of the clutch kit. The clutch cable is usually changed at the same time as the clutch kit. What is the purpose of a clutch cable? How do I adjust a manually adjustable clutch cable? How do I adjust a self-adjusting clutch cable? How long does a clutch cable last? What are the symptoms of a worn clutch cable? How much does it cost to change a clutch cable? Find the best garage to change your clutch cable. See garages. What is the purpose of a clutch cable? The clutch cable is part of the clutch kit. It consists of a metal cable slipped inside a sheath. The role of the clutch cable is simply to enable you to change gears while driving. The clutch cable connects the clutch pedal to the shift fork. A simple press of the foot on the clutch pedal pulls the clutch release bearing against the clutch disc. This is the clutch disengagement. So it's thanks to the clutch cable that you can change gear without cracking the gearbox. There are two types of clutch cable, depending on the car model: the manually adjustable clutch cable, the automatic constant play clutch cable. How do I adjust a manually adjustable clutch cable? In order to prevent the clutch release bearing from being in permanent contact with the clutch disc, it is important to adjust the clutch clearance. Clutch-free travel is the amount of play between the clutch release bearing and the clutch disc. To adjust it, simply screw or unscrew the adjusting nut, which varies the length of the clutch cable. The clutch shift is checked at every service. Find the best garage to change your clutch cable. See garages. How do I adjust a self-adjusting clutch cable? To simplify clutch cable clearance adjustment, there are now cables with a spring-loaded ratchet system. When the clutch pedal is depressed, the pull locks into the next attempt to maintain the set clearance. Good to know, on recent car models, it's not uncommon for the clutch cable to be replaced by a hydraulic or robotized clutch control. How long does a clutch cable last? On average, a clutch cable lasts 200,000 kilometers, but bear in mind that it could fail before then. In fact, there are two major problems associated with clutch cable failure: seizure and breakage. Clutch cable breakage is the most common type of failure, and unfortunately it's not uncommon. If the cable breaks, you won't be able to shift gears because you won't be able to disengage the clutch. Your only solution is to change the clutch cable yourself or have it replaced by a mechanic. But breakage isn't the only problem. The clutch cable can also seize up. This will happen gradually as a result of sheath wear or water ingress. If it's not too seized up, you can avoid changing it by greasing it and cleaning it with degreaser. What are the symptoms of a worn clutch cable? You can tell the symptoms of a faulty clutch cable by looking at the clutch pedal. If the clutch cable is just seized up, your clutch pedal will be hard to operate. Conversely, if your clutch pedal is soft and sinks to the floor, your clutch cable is broken. Find the best garage to change your clutch cable. In conclusion, understanding the operation and maintenance of your clutch cable is essential for ensuring a smooth driving experience. Regular checks and timely replacements can prevent costly repairs down the line. When it comes to pricing, it's important to shop around and consider both quality and compatibility with your vehicle. By staying informed and proactive, you can keep your clutch system in optimal condition, enhancing both performance and safety on the road. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive insights.